In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add balance in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're logged into your account so you can access the main dashboard. Once you're inside, you'll be working from the dashboard area, which is where you can manage your account settings, settings, billing, and other platform tools. From the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu. If you're not used to the layout yet, take a moment to scan through the options so it's easier to find what you need in the future. In that left side menu, click on Billing. This will take you to the section where Gohighlevel manages payments, balances, and transaction related details. If the page takes a second to load, that's completely normal. Once you're in the billing area, go to the top menu and click on Wallet and Transactions. This section shows your available balance and gives you access to add funds when needed. This is especially useful if you want to keep money available in your account for charges that may come up through the platform. Now look for the balance section. In that area, click on Add. After that, you'll see the option labeled Plus Add Balance. Go ahead and click that as well. This opens the balance top-up window, where you can choose how much money you want to add to your account. Next, type in the amount you want to add. Be sure to enter the number carefully so you fund the account with the correct amount. It's a good idea to quickly review the amount before continuing, especially if you're adding a larger balance. Once the amount looks correct, click Add. At this point, Gohighlevel will move to the payment step and connect to your saved card so the added amount can be processed. Depending on your billing setup, you may need to confirm the charge before it completes. After the payment goes through, your new balance should appear in the wallet area. If you don't see it update right away, give it a moment and refresh the page if needed. And that's it. That's how you add balance in Gohighlevel. It's a simple process once you know where to find the billing and wallet settings, and keeping your balance funded can help you avoid interruptions with account-related charges.